Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing like a Disney movie party day. Onward comes out on Disney Plus today. I think it's great that Disney is putting that out for us to give us some fun content. And so we're gonna do like a few crafts and a snack to go with it. I'm gonna take you through. This is all stuff that you can pull together using items you probably already have at home, since none of us are really running out doing shopping for fun, right? So this is like, necessity is the mother of invention, right? We're gonna do 2 crafts, a snack. I'm gonna walk you through it really easy. All right, so this is what we're gonna make our magic wand out of. This is like the cardboard part of a dry cleaning hanger. If you don't have something like this, you could use an unsharpened pencil, you could use a cardboard straw, and then I'm gonna heat up my hot glue gun. And what we're gonna do is like, we're gonna do squiggle lines all over it. Like we'll do it thick down here to make a handle, like all over and make a design, and then we're gonna let it dry and then we can decorate it. I'm gonna put some wax paper under this so the hot glue doesn't get everywhere. Alright, so we made a little design here. The hot glue dries really fast. I did like some lines at the bottom to make a handle, and then I just twirled some lines around to give it a little bit of detail so that when we paint it, it's going to look kind of antique-y and old. And then I've just got some craft paint. These are just the colors I had on hand. I figured blue, that's the color of the characters. And I'm going to give my daughter a foam brush and cover the table in wax paper and just let her go crazy and paint this to her heart's content. So that's what we got. Super cool. There's a lot of paint on it, so I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and we're gonna move on to our next project. Alright, so now I've cut out some strips of blue construction paper. You can see here I taped 2 pieces together. So this all together is the length of the circumference of my daughter's head. We're gonna make elf ear headbands. So first I'm gonna let her kind of just color and decorate the headband part, and then we're gonna do ears. I think I'll make one for myself as well. Alright, so this is what we made. This is my daughter's. That's Lucy barking. FedEx is here. That's mine. That's my daughter's. And then I cut out some little elf ears. We're going to tape them on and then tape the band into a circle to make like a little headband. Alright, so these are our little hats. They came out really cute. My daughter did like a rainbow. Super cute. I'm going to wear mine as well for our movie. Okay, so we are going to try to make blue popcorn for the Lightfoot family. I've melted half a stick of butter here. I'm going to put some blue food coloring. I have to be honest, I've never done this before. I looked online and all of the tutorials for like colored popcorn, oh, it's kind of working. It had you like making a sugar mixture, and I don't really want sweet popcorn today, so we're gonna try this. Alright, and I've popped some popcorn and I'm just gonna kind of do that. It's kind of working. I'm gonna give it a toss. Alright, I'm pleased with that. Looks pretty magical. Alright, so that's our finished product. I'm really pleased with it. You guys saw how easy that was. This would be great if you're having like a birthday party or something. Do rainbow popcorn. Super, super simple. And I tasted it. It tastes delicious. Nice and buttery. I thought this was going to fit me a little better, but that's that. So we're going to watch our video now. We're going to have our popcorn. We're going to wear our little hats. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hit the red subscribe button if you liked this, because I'm going to be doing more videos with crafts and activities that you can do at home using stuff you already have. We're all in the same boat. I hope you guys are hanging in there and you're all well. Let me know in the comments below if you're watching Onward this weekend. We're really excited to see it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.